Yo, what's up guys? So the rain is actually gone on this day. It's actually a somewhat nice day today down here. Hey bird, where you going? Damn, where you going? But anyways, as you guys saw in the last video, I got the R-Beast all well, fixed the fan, it's working great. But this video is more or less, what I said in the last video was I'm just gonna take some clips that Paulo did when he was at the dyno and let you guys see some of the pulls and the horsepower on the car. Now, Leron tuned it. Leron is over at Jam Speed Performance. He's actually the same guy who tuned the R-Beast, and it's been running all these years just fine. But I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clips of whatever I didn't put in from the last video. What's gone?
No, it's spinning.
Yeah.
Dark clouds. That's dark clouds.
That's all.
Go.
This guy.
Go.
Every time he started it up.
Usually we go like that.
Hands free.
Yeah. It's so much better.
Convenient right here. Pump the air, pump the tires up. I don't know. Spitting out. Oh.
I see it. I see it.
It's condensation, bro. It's not as bad.
Number one. Number one.
Holy sh... Bruh.
What's up? Turn into.
You better drift it. Oh! Don't worry, it's an
Not
LS.
like your car at all, buddy.
Typical LS.
You actually have to like
push that clutch all the way. Don't worry. I'm not gonna not edit that out. It's definitely going in video.
putting my seatbelt on for safety.
Yeah, you better put your seatbelt on. Alright, now look, this is what you gotta do. Rev it to 9,000.
Really close to the, that's why I was super close. Get closer.
Slide the seat up.
Yeah, slide the seat up. Closer.
Seat rails are life. No, I might just give you your whole, I'm gonna give you your own video. Alright, rev it to 9,000 and dump the clutch. How'd she do?
Not bad.
Did she stall it?
No, she didn't actually.
Hey, that's what's up.
I was like,
dang, you just gonna leave me hanging like that? Dang. Dang.
yeah, she didn't stall it.
She didn't stall it? I heard her almost stall it.
Yeah, right here.
Almost, almost stall it. She's like, gas.
I had to get used to it.
She didn't get under boost or anything.
Oh man.
Yeah, next time.
Only way to get used to it is put the foot
to the floor.
To the flow. It's not a Mustang, don't worry, it'll be alright. It handles.
It goes straight.
It goes straight.
Oh, where's Mustang go?
Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross.
And now I'm gonna install the clips that he sent me from the dyno pools now.
Okay guys, dyno day. Put the car on the dyno finally. We got our man leron doing it. PJ when you need him videotaping. Damn it.
were the dyno pools. He wasn't there to finish up the, I'm sorry if it's windy, you guys, but Florida's been bipolar lately with its weather. But He wasn't there to get the last of the pulls, but the car ended up making 425 horsepower and I think a little bit more torque. Now he's having a problem with the wastegate actually holding the boost. It's like spiking and falling off. So I mean, it's very capable of making more horsepower. So I think he's gonna put a bigger spring in it and take it back to get it retuned to make even more power. But even still, 400 plus horsepower in an S chassis is more than enough with over 400 foot-pounds of torque. That's plenty, but it can do more. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you like the dyno pulls of the Turbo LS. I will try to keep you guys updated when the car gets everything fixed and it's taken back to the dyno. Hopefully I can be there to get some pulls myself and crank this boost up. It should make a lot more horsepower, but for what it is right now, that's more than enough to get the job done. Comment down below and take a guess on what you think the car will make when it's finally getting all the boost. And I hope you guys like the dirty ass pull. Let me know if you want to go for a swim, because I'm down to get down. All right guys, peace.